Want to compare the world's top AI models in one place? LMArena AI makes it easy. Let's explore how to use it step by step. So, start by visiting the LMArena AI website. Create a free account with your email or Google login. So, you'd be able to find this login button at the top right. Simply click on this and then select a login method. Once you're signed in to your account, you'll have access to multiple AI models instantly. So Alam Arena offers three models: direct chat, talk to one AI model side by side, compare two models answering the same prompt, and battle mode, pit multiple models against each other and vote for the best response. So type your question or task in the input box and select which models you want to run, and then hit on submit, and responses will appear instantly ready for review. Read through the answers, compare accuracy, style, and creativity, and use the rating system to vote for the best response. You can copy or save outputs for later use. Alam Arena also runs creative experiments like quirky prompt battles. Try different styles from short questions to detailed instructions and see how models vary. And that's it. That is how to use Alam Arena AI.